Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share recipe to make simple and yummy veg bao buns. So let's get started. In a large mixing bowl, mix 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour, instant yeast, and salt to taste. Mix all dry ingredients well. As I'm using instant yeast, I'll be using cold water, but if in case you are using traditional yeast, you might need to add lukewarm water to activate the yeast. Add water little by little and make it into a dough. Cover the dough with plastic wrap and keep it aside for 6 to 8 hours. It should double its size by then. For veg filling, I use grated carrot, chopped mushroom, capsicum, onions, and some grated cheese. Heat a cooking pan, add some oil, saute some onion first, when it's translucent, add the rest of the vegetables. Add some salt, oregano, and pepper. Stir fry for 3 to 5 minutes. Oil the steamer so that bao buns don't stick to it. The dough should have double its size. Now Take a small dough balls and flatten it and add some vegetable fillings and some grated cheese. Then you can close it like this. Repeat the process for the rest of the dough balls. Put it in a steamer, boil water and allow steam to cook the bao buns for about 15 minutes. Ta-da! Yummy bao buns are ready to be served. Here we go, my snacks is ready for this afternoon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you next time.